Hello friends, this is the time of social networking and we are going to talk about the ideograms daily used by us, the emojis. The word emoji has derived from Japanese word which means picture character and there are so many. Actually, there are about 3304 emojis till date. Now let's have a look on its brief history. Back in 1960s, Russian novelist and professor Nabokova gave the thought of emoji. Thereafter, in 1980s, computer scientist Scott Feynman invented the basic emojis which we used in our previous phones. Thereafter, various attempts were made in 1990s to enhance the idea of emojis. And finally, in 1999, Shigetaka Kurita created a set of emoji. He is often referred as the father of emojis and is given the credit for the invention of modern emojis. Kurita's work is now displayed in Museum of Modern Art in New York City. So how does these emojis become so familiar with us? Actually, Japan was the first country to adopt the early emoji sets for the use on mobile phones, and then Apple came into the light and is credited for most of all the emojis popularity. Also, some phones like Apple, iMac, iPhone or MacBook shows 17 July as the World Emoji Day, and later Google also adopted the same calendar. While communicating digitally, these emojis plays a very important role in expressing our feelings. Research shows that viewing an emoji or seeing human facial expression activates the same part of our brain. And in spite of them being so many, if you want a new emoji, you can submit a request with explanation. Now, talking about individual emojis. The most popular emoji among us is the face with tears of joy emoji. And the popular food emoji includes birthday cake and pizza slices. The musical note emojis is popular in countries like Brazil and Argentina. And to our surprise, there is officially a World Emoji Contest, winners of which are declared on World Emoji Day. Last year, the most popular new emoji award went to Smiling Face with Heart, and in 2018 it was Exploding Head emoji. Thinking Face emoji best described 2018. Let's see what's the result this year. And lastly, let's understand few emojis. It's not jazz hands, it actually meant hugging. In spite of her being thought flipping hair or careless, she is holding out her hand to help. Her title is Information Desk Person. This emoji is used to describe non-caring behavior or anything shutting haters down. No, not sad, not crying. This is actually a sleepy face. This hi-fi emoji is meant for please or thank you purpose, but now people are using it to mean prayer. This emoji represents anger. No, not dancing. She is saying she is okay. This is not a shooting star. It indicates a dizzy person. It is a pouting face for kids. It's not to show horror or surprise, but it meant to show tiredness or sleep deprived state. So we can say that where words fail, emojis speak. Hope you enjoyed our emoji ride. Thank you for watching and please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you again.